Yo. Hey. So get that down there. You gotta love the impromptu projects. This table, they were thrown away at work. There's a guy at work that has dibs on the table itself, and he wants to turn it into a table for cleaning fish. Oh man, I can't even pull it out. It's so heavy. If you look in here, you got a motor, you got all kinds of guts, and he doesn't want any of it. He just wants the top surface. So I am going to work on getting all this stuff. Ooh, that's super heavy right there. All this stuff out of here. So let's do it. Bucket to put all my nuts and bolts. These are little spacers. Those are aluminum, which is sweet. Shred. Alright, everything's falling. No problem. Let's see what we got. I think my camera is kind of shot because I shot sparks in it from my grinder. I've got these bolts I'm going to take off of here now. I was actually thrilled that I was going to take all this stuff because this table is so heavy. Well, you could see by me trying to move it. If we're cleaning fish, he definitely doesn't need it to be that heavy. There. Well, that's interesting. There's just all kinds of goodies in there. It's kind of crazy that this big old tube is there to protect two little wires. Okay, so this thing is totally free. Okay. Big steel plate. And now, cut the wires here. Yeah, I don't think it's number 1 wire, but it's decent. There we go. Cut those. There. Now, this whole thing, this foot pedal is detached. Okay, some componentry in there, probably nothing major at all, but like that. That's what we got so far. What's next? Those are two. Oh, there's. Clip a hose here. And those two, that switch panel is off. Could be some stainless in there. We'll see. Definitely a little bit of brass there. And let's see, we still have to get this box off of here. We have to get that off of there. Get these off. These might be stainless as well. These rollers, what these rollers were used for was, you know, when you buy labels on a roll, we would wind the labels through here, and that's how we would count the amount of labels that are on a roll. The counter stopped working, they just bought a new one, which is a bonus for me. Okay, so on the ends of these, you got Allen wrench heads, so I'm going to work on that. Wires, very tiny wires. Okay, so this one anyway takes the biggest one that I have. This is a 3/8. Oh, that's heavy. Oh, baby. Look at this thing. There we go. Boy, oh boy. Oh, by the way, I took a bunch of aluminum. They call to the place. They called it aluminum breakage, and there was that other lab equipment that I had taken apart. Big old cabinet. It was all aluminum. They gave me aluminum breakage for it. I got 10 cents a pound. Absolutely skunked. I had to make room for it so I could get this thing home. So I just went and did it and ended up getting 26 bucks. Totally hosed. Oh boy. That was loose already. Oh, all right. Well, that's much lighter. These might be aluminum. Pretty solid. I think this for sure is aluminum. Go. Definitely aluminum there. That out. Oh, jeez. Ow! Is it getting windy and cold? Okay. Ooh. Only supposed to be a high of 50 degrees tomorrow, and it is getting down that way right now. So, throw on my Sculler Metals beanie. Let's get this thing off of here. Go. She wants to go. Oh, and then the two screws on this side are flathead. Must have been a flathead who designed it. And I'm here to tell you that is D-U-M dumb. Alright. Okay, I gotta get that off now. That is D-U-M dumb. Come on, sucker. You're turning. Might as well give up the booty. It ain't gonna work for you. Okay. Woo-woo. Check that thing out. Come in, Captain Stubing. Go starboard. Or whatever. Boy, this could be tougher than I thought. Choking on my spit. Probably some leather honks out there. They're like, oh, save that leather. Well, I will. Don't know what I'll do with it, but I'll save it. Man, didn't I unscrew these already, or no? Oh, sugar. tube out of there. I did tell you I don't know what I'm doing, right? Almost certain that that's a piece of brass right there. We'll check her out. You'd think something would be coming off of there. More screws. I'll tell you what. Oh man. Is that a 5/8? Oh boy. How do you do it without that turning? Oh boy, that is baloney. I'm turning this off so I can figure this out. I can't get this off. Sometimes it leaves me no choice. Oh, I can't even get in there. Oh, I cut in the wrong place. Oh, you dirty witch. Ugh. All right, man, is that heavy? Now what? Okay. I'm going to tell you, that was a real pain in the wazoo. One more screw. Actually, so that's all taken care of there. What is this? Wires. Just have to take that off. 4 screws. Okay, you hooligans, I'm done. I got everything off of it. Should make a nice fish cleaning table for him. In the meantime, this is some of the stuff that came out of it. So I've got to go through that. That's a motor right there. I bet it's a stator, like one of those, not the good kind. I don't know how else to say it. Not that kind, but one that goes right down the middle. But I still get something out of it. But this is all the other stuff. You can see that there's Allen wrench holes here, so I've got to take those off, take this apart. These rods are steel, but the ends are aluminum. This is all aluminum, just got to clean that up. Steel, but that's aluminum. Same with these two, and I believe these are aluminum as well. Not sure what I have to do with these, but yeah, I might end up, well, I don't know, we'll see. And then I got this thing. I'm going to get that one, going to do a little work on that one. Add to my awesome mode collection. You can just imagine what I'm going to put on those plaques. Stay tuned for that. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, send me your firstborn, tell your friends, all that jazz. It is fall in Wisconsin, and we are just getting started, my friends. We're going to do a lot of stuff. Oh yeah. Peace with booty grease. Ugh.